Automatic welding of angle steel flanges is mainly used for angle welding of different specifications of angle iron flanges with cooling air pipes, subway ventilation, building ventilation, HVAC and purification functions. There is a parametric welding system, no programming. Directly input the length width, thickness of the workpiece can be directly welded. It can weld 4 corners at the same time, but also can weld single or double corners at the same time, saving labor, improving efficiency, with fast speed, accurate size, high degree of automation. The equipment is stable and can work 24 hours.